In this video, I'll show you how to split a PDF into multiple files using Adobe Acrobat DC. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. I have my PDF inside this folder and you can see it right here. And if I just double click on it, it's going to open up in Microsoft Edge. And this is the PDF that I want to split either into an individual pages or just depending on what I'll think about when we are doing this. So this is the PDF. Let's close it up. Let's open it up with Adobe Acrobat. So I'll just right click on it, open with Adobe Acrobat DC. And once our file is open, all we need to do is organize pages. To split the pages, or the split pages functionality in Adobe Acrobat DC is located under the organize pages feature. So if you cannot see the options on this side, you can pull up the ribbon and you can see organize pages. Alternatively, you can click on tools on the top left, click on tools, and under the create and edit, there is the option to organize pages. Let's click on that. Now, what does this help you do? The organize pages allows you to change the orientation based on this. You can change that, you can bring it back, you can delete a page. There are 3 ellipses here where you can insert from file, insert from clipboard, insert from scanner, insert from web page, insert blank page, cut, copy. That's not why we're here today. Other things you can do inside here is that you can extract pages, insert pages, replace pages, split, and the more functionality here, or the drop down, allows you to add bits, numbering, set page boxes, etc. But what we're interested in is the split functionality. So let's click this to split the document into multiple files. Let's click on that. And under the split by, that is, there are 3 options. You can either split by number of pages, file size, or top level bookmarks. For this video, we're going to split by number of pages. But if this particular PDF was a big PDF and we wanted to share it as a smaller PDF, then we can split by file size to make the file of the PDF a little bit smaller. Also, if you have bookmarks for your PDF, then you can use the top level bookmarks feature to split your pages. Let's split by number of pages. And from here, you can either choose, for example, for this being a 17-page document, whether you want each page to be just a standalone PDF, or let's say in a bunch of 4, in a bunch of 3, etc. Really depends on what you want. Let's go with something like 1 page so that you can see how an individual page will result like. Now, from here, we'll need to click on output options, and the dialog box will help us choose where we want to set out our PDF and the label options. So the target folder, I'll just use the same folder selected at start. So this means that the files will go inside here. That's okay with me. And then a folder on my computer. If that's your option, then you can choose a different folder on your computer. I'll not do that for now. Let's just use the same folder selected at start. As for the file labeling, the file name, you can use bookmark names for the file names. That is, if you're splitting by top level bookmarks, you can add label and number before original name. So that is before the original, or you can add label and number after original name. This is what is going to be used mostly. So you can use the label part, and then you can use the separator between original name and label, that is the underscore, and do not overwrite existing pages. And this is important for you to check so that it doesn't overwrite any files that have the same name as what is going to actually be split out. Now, if you're satisfied, just click OK. And once you click OK, click on split, because this now is going to split the files. Let's click on that. The document has been successfully split into 17 documents. So our 17-page document has been split into 17 documents. Click OK. And if we navigate back to the folder, we now see more files. Let's change the view to details. And now we can see that this is the original, and then we have 17 new PDF documents. So that is how you can use Adobe Acrobat DC to split a page or a PDF document into multiple files or even individual files based on the number of pages the file size, and also the bookmarks available in the PDF. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that it's going to be of value to you.